Hello everyone, welcome to tonight's Club Live. How are we doing today? I'm just gonna wait for tonight's guest to join us and patch her right in. Hi Swamini. Hello Harshita. Hi. Hi Simran. All right, so without any more delay, I'm gonna patch our guest today right now. We're just waiting for her to join in. Hello. Hi Pooja. Hey, how's it going?
Sorry, it was like disconnect.
I'm
Hello?
There was a lag. All good now. We're good. We're good.
Yeah. Okay, okay, great,
Welcome
great,
to
great.
tonight's welcome.
Again, yeah,
And
actually, the voice is breaking. Your voice is breaking.
is it better now?
Now it's better. Now it's better.
Yeah,
Now it's better.
you didn't miss. I was just welcoming you to tonight's club live. Just show me.
Thank you so much. Your voice is actually, it's in a flow, then break, then flow, then break. I think there is lagging.
Again. Let's do this again.
Still, yeah, okay.
Okay. Bad day.
Uh,
Um, Welcome, Pooja. So excited to have you here. Everyone, for all our viewers, this is Pooja. She's a fab makeup artist and a hair expert, and she's also one of our beauty influencers on the platform. She happens
Thank
to
you
have
so
a lot of
much. Thank you so much, Richita. And it's like a pleasure for me to be in this platform. And actually, firstly, congratulations to the Air Black team for, for this amazing initiative. This is the platform, where anyone can come and like ace all the techniques and at such nominal fees. This is amazing for everyone.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you. Yes, we are a community of makeup and beauty enthusiasts, and that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to make this
Yes.
available to all in all inclusive ways. So, thank you for saying that.
Yeah.
So for everyone, to all our viewers, I'd like to say that Pooja is super fascinating. You must go check out her Instagram and follow her page. She's done some amazing work. She also happens to have worked with a lot of celebs and runway models in national and international pageants. And we're so glad that you're here.
Thank you so much for having me. It's all my pleasure.
Amazing. So, without any further delay, why don't we jump
Hmm.
right to tonight's topic? The topic on the roster today is all kinds of makeup brushes in the world. What should a beginner do? What brush does what? Simplify this for us.
Yes. So let's get started then. Brushes, as everyone aware of this, brushes are, we have two types of brushes. Everyone knows that natural brushes and synthetic brushes, right? But the main problem is to identify the natural brush and the synthetic brush is the main problem. And everyone asks this question only, right? So there is my first hack to identify, and that's really very funny and simple too, of course. You all have seen smoothing hairs, right? How it
Yes.
looks: shiny, straight.
Healthy?
SS, shiny, straight. Smoothing hair
Oh,
looks
yes.
shiny, straight, right? Same goes with synthetic brushes. They
Okay.
are little shiny and they are straight. So
Okay.
you can identify this way, which is synthetic brush. Now let's go to natural brush. Natural brush is about natural hair. Natural hair looks like, little frizzy, unmanageable. So same as, the same with natural brushes. They look like, they doesn't have that shine, right? They're looks like little messy. So these are natural hair. So there are two type of brushes. So you can identify this way. Now let's go with these step by steps, how we apply makeup and which brushes is used for that. particular thing. Okay, so let's start with the face makeup first, because makeup brushes is customized in two types: eye
Mm-hmm.
brush set and
Yeah.
face brush set. Okay, so let's go with the face brush set. We start with moisturizing, of course, skin preparation, right? So for the skin preparation, we do first moisturizing, then we prime, and then we use foundation. And guys, please note down these steps. This is going to be very helpful to you all. So for moisturizing and for priming and for foundation, we use flat brush.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me, like, which brush is this?
Flat brush.
I mean, this is synthetic or natural?
Well, this looks synthetic to me. This looks really shiny.
Yes, yes. This is
It is.
synthetic brush. Yes.
Okay.
And synthetic brush are good for liquid products because they are not as porous as natural hair brushes. So they
Okay.
don't absorb products, which is actually good. So
Okay.
we use flat foundation brush to apply moisturizer, primer, and foundation. We just
Got it.
take amount and just dab it and just with a little pressure blend it. And then you can use your beauty blender to set it. Okay. Now after foundation, what we do? We contour and highlight, right? Liquid. When we do liquid contouring, because before applying any powder, we complete the liquid session on the makeup routine. This is okay. So, yeah. So, for the contouring, this is a dome brush, large dome brush. These dome brushes are really good for blending. It blends so well, it saves your time. This is so much in nowadays. And this is from Real Technique. So you can get that from there. So
So,
you just apply from here and here and just blend it off like this.
motion
You
is
know?
it? Brush
So
goes.
yeah,
Okay.
this is for contouring. This is a large dome brush used for cream contouring.
Got it.
Okay, and you can do both the thing from it, like cream and powder, both in one brush. Okay, super saver, actually money saver brush, you can say that. Now after contouring, we set our makeup using translucent powder, right? And for translucent powder, we use large fluffy brushes.
Got it.
Okay, this has to be soft, lots of space, and really movable. Okay, so you can just take amount, apply it all over face, and just simply blend it for the airy look, right? It should be very soft so that
Okay.
it doesn't harm your skin, of course, right? After setting your makeup, what we do, we apply again powder contouring on our face if you want more contoured face, of course. And nowadays it's the trend. So again, you can use the same brush, but before using the same brush, the cream is there, right? Because we have used it earlier on the cream contour. Remove that first, then you can reuse it. Okay. So now that is done. And now the favorite part, highlighter.
Hmm.
For highlighter, you can use this small dome brush, the fluffy brush. Okay.
Okay.
Just take a small amount and just apply on your highlighted area like this
Super.
with really light pressure. And it's better if you hold it from here,
Okay.
from bottom side. It gives you very natural finish, and it gives very light pressure automatically. You don't need to worry about that. And that's why we use from here. We hold it from here. Okay. So we are almost done with the face
Wow.
brush.
How many
There is, sorry,
brushes were these so far? 6 or 7.
I'm not getting. I'm
Okay.
not getting what you're saying.
How? Okay.
Oh,
Let's go one. There seems to be a
yeah,
lag one.
yeah, actually a lot. I hope the people can able to hear.
Yes, you're fine. You're
Hi, yeah, great. Okay, So there is one more brush. This is buffing brush. You know, I have told you earlier about flat brush,
Yes.
flat foundation brush, right? It just used to apply the foundation. But with the buffing brush, you can just apply also, you can dab also, you can set your foundation also. And after applying foundation, you can use it for the powder also. Because later on, I'm going to tell you the 5 favorite brushes, which is like, you know, the must having, and you're ready to go on a travel, and just 5 brushes, you're done with your makeup. Okay?
Okay.
So here we are done with the face makeup brushes, right? There are other brushes also, obviously, like as a professional kit, there are so many brushes. But for the beginners, but for the people who like into self makeup, so these brushes are more than enough, right? So let's move on to the eye makeup brush set. So for concealing, we use this small flat brush.
Okay.
Right? We can use it on face makeup also, like to correct the makeup, like to conceal the makeup. And if after applying foundation, if you're still getting any marks and all, you can put a foundation and just apply it. So on our lid, you can use the eye cream and you can apply on your lid, right? Using this concealer brush. Okay. After that, just set it off, and then the most important brush for the eye makeup is this small fluffy brush.
Okay.
Everyone's favorite, I guess, right? So this brushes comes into different shapes actually.
Wow, they look very similar.
Yeah, they look very similar, but this brush, if you see this brush, this
Yeah.
is little pointed, and this is in a
Rounded.
square shape. Yeah,
Right.
rounded, right? Okay,
Sure.
so the use is when you are working on a, like, you know, very precise area, right? You don't want that shaded, you don't want that airy shaded, right? When you're working on a very precise area, then use this pointed dome.
Okay.
Okay, like when you do cut crease eye makeup, we use this brush, right? When you work on cut crease area, like, you know, like I have done here, it's very airy, it's blended, it's like a shade. Okay, so I have used this brush. As we know, dome brush is very good for blending, so we use this brush and you will get exact this eye makeup, exact. Unless you don't go this side, you will get the shape. Okay,
Awesome.
thank you. And
Hey,
now we have,
hi, can you hear me? All right. Can we take a
yeah,
couple of questions before we move ahead? So
yes, of
one of
course, yeah.
channel wants to know which is a better brush, a synthetic one or a natural one. Which one would you choose?
If you have a budget,
Mm-hmm.
natural brushes are made of natural hairs, of course. So it will cost you, of course, higher than the synthetic brushes, right? So if you have a budget, go for natural brushes. If you have a like average budget, you can go for synthetic. Even in the market, you can get the set which has like mixed brushes, because
Okay.
especially the eye brushes set are made of natural hair, you know, so they customizes that way. Like for the face, they give you synthetic, and for eye, they give you natural hair brushes. They
Super.
both have the wonderful job. They both have the wonderful. It's totally depend on your budget.
So it totally depends on how much you're willing to spend and how you want to use
Exactly.
that.
Right, right.
Let's go on. Let's move on.
Okay, so we are till crease. Okay, now this is small blending brush.
Okay.
Okay, this is used for the smoky eye lovers. You know, you can create the V shape here using this brush and simply blend it. You will get the precise smoky shape here. Okay, because for the smoky eyes, we need dark colors, we need prescribed shape, right? So we use such kind of brushes. Even we can use in near corners also to blend the eyeshadow, like I have done here, right? So this
Yeah, it
is
looks.
again, thank you. So now we have flat eyeshadow brush. It also comes in different sizes, of course, according to the eye shape, right? Just take your shadow and you can apply it all over your eyelid. For the double shade eye makeup, for the single shade eye makeup, we use this brush.
Nice.
After this, let's move on to our brows. For
We
your
also have
brows, you must have, yeah.
take one more question of viewers asking
Mm-hmm.
specific brand for all makeup brushes. Do you go for a specific brand?
Okay. Um, if you go for like a pocket-friendly brush set, right? You can go for PAC, PAC, okay? And for a professional brush set, you can go for Makeup Studio. And
Okay.
Real Techniques are my all-time love. I'm an all-time lover. And also the Morphe brushes, they are amazing. Like they are
Sure.
like worth, yeah, they are like worth also. They are not that expensive like MAC brushes and all, but you will get all the ranges there. So you
Okay.
can go for Morphe, you can go for PAC, you can go for Makeup Studio, and one more I
Real tech.
guess,
Real
Real
technique.
Technique. Real
Yo.
Technique, okay? And it's available on Nykaa also. We are promoting Nykaa here. Okay,
Um,
so let's move to
yes.
our brows. And for brows, you need two brushes compulsorily. These
Okay.
two brushes, okay? This angular brush is used to give the shape properly, and just fill it and then using this brush, blend it. Do not forget to blend it to give it natural look. Many times we see like people with, very hard defined brows. It because they don't blend it using this brush, which is very important to blend your colors. Okay. And this brush you can also use for liner.
Oh, can you
This
bring it
angular
close?
brush, yes, of
Oh,
course.
lovely. Got
Yeah,
it.
you can you can give a fine bend using this brush. And now again for the lower lash line, you can use the same flat brush to apply shadow here, right? And
Lovely.
just blend it off. So here we are done with the basic makeup brushes. Yes. So now I guess someone has asked us how
Oh,
to clean your brushes.
the
How to clean
question.
your brushes. Yeah, which is my second hack actually. So I thought why not to set myself. So how to clean your brushes, which is again a very, very important step in makeup routine. Because if you don't want new guests, of course, after makeup life, acne and all, so you must follow makeup hygiene. And to clean your brush is the most important thing. And what I do, if you have a makeup brush cleanser, that's fine. But if you don't have, you can use Johnson Baby shampoo.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah,
Yeah.
you can use that shampoo, and everyone has this at home, right? Chai ki
Oh, yeah.
chulni, tea lovers. Okay, this is it has like net form. Okay, so it's very easy to clean your brush if you do this way. Just dip it in the shampoo, and then this way you can remove all your makeup products. Nowadays makeup products are really of good ranges. Actually, they are non-transferable also. It's very tough to remove the stain also. So that's why this kind of net thing is very, very useful and easily you can get it at your home. So this way you can clean it, your brushes, and then just take this brush and put it under water tap. That's it.
Okay.
Don't do like this, okay? Don't do that. If water goes inside these bristles, it can loosen up.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
better, or always keep your brush like this while cleaning it. Okay.
Mm.
So this way you can clean your brushes. So this was my second makeup brush hack. And
Yeah.
now the third, uh, can I move to my third hack?
Of course, please.
Okay, I thought you're going to pick any questions from here. Okay, great. So my third hack is my favorite 5 brushes. With that brush, you are all set to do all your makeup at once, and don't need any other brushes when you're out. You can't take all the brushes all around, right? And even if you are like little budgeted, then these 5 brushes are good to go. Okay, so first brush is again this buffing brush. As
Yes.
I've described earlier, you can apply your foundation, you can set it, and you can use it as a powder brush too,
Okay.
right? This is first. Contouring is must. Contouring is must. I can't live without contouring. So this is again a large dome brush for contouring. You can apply cream and powder both from it, right? So second is done. And now the third. Eyes are the like most important part of any makeup. So we'll give 3 brushes to eye makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, we are going to be little partial. So 3 to eyes. First is blending brush, of course. Second is small blending brush, and third is for your brows, which is useful for your eyebrows and eyeliner both. And you
Lovely.
are all
Sorted.
set to go out and good to go for parties and for any kind of adventure.
That we're attending now, sitting at home, you're sorted for your next Zoom meetings, for your next client meetings, for your, you know,
Yes. Even in your bag, you will get like enough place for these 5 brushes.
oh yes, this is great.
Just
Thank you.
this much. Yeah.
Thank you. This is so helpful. And we've covered all the questions. Thank you so much for joining us. This was
Thank you
wonderful.
so
Uh,
much. Thank you.
for all our viewers who joined us a little later, Pooja also happens to be one of our beauty influencers. She's on board with us on the platform and she also goes live super soon, right?
Yes, yes, guys. So if you want to ace the makeup technique with me, please let us know in the comment section below, or you can follow Beauty Air Black for more sessions. It's going
Yes.
to be very soon.
Go check out the link in our bio to subscribe to Pooja's sessions. This is available for all our VIP and gold members.
Yes.
So go check out the link.
You
Awesome.
got beautiful dimple, yeah. Even I do have, see, but it's lighter than yours.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank
Yeah, Rishita, it's really nice there with you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Pooja, and thank you to all our viewers.
Thank you
Um,
so much for having
I'm
me here.
super soon. I hope the session was helpful to all.
Yeah, I really hope, guys. Stay tuned then.
Stay home, stay safe. Bye, all.
Bye, all. Good night. Bye. Bye, Rishita.
Bye.
Bye.